A warm welcome to film number 4 in our Stairs series, in which we look at the various possible stair designs. The various designs you will see in this film are defined in German Standard DIN 18065, where they are illustrated and labelled in Appendix B. The simplest form of staircase is the straight single-flight staircase. It runs from one level to another in one go. DIN 18065 stipulates that to ensure ease of ascent and descent, essential stairs must have an intermediate landing between each flight of 18 rises. As a result, it is rare to find single-flight staircases with more than 18 rises. This brings us to a classic exam question, namely, what is the maximum story height that can be bridged by a single-flight staircase with a comfortable pitch without an intermediate landing? The answer is 18 times 19 equals 342 centimeters. This is the type of design we used for our workshop on Lake Zwinkau. According to DIN 18065, the staircase that we designed for our laboratory building at the Leipzig Institute for Troposphere Research is a straight double-flight staircase with intermediate landing. In everyday parlance, however, stairs of this type are often referred to, albeit inaccurately, as single-flight stairs with landing. The staircase shown here turns around a 90-degree corner. Using the correct terminology as stipulated in DIN 18065, it is a quarter-turn double-flight staircase with intermediate landing. The difference is clear. Rather than being straight, the stairs run around a corner. Now we come to a classic stair design, the half-turn double-flight staircase with intermediate landing. This name is unnecessarily complicated, and in day-to-day speech, architects simply tend to call it a double-flight staircase. The example you can see here is a set of stairs we designed for the Business and Enterprise Secondary School in the Austrian town of Feldkirch. The staircase you can see here was built not far away at Dresden's State Music School. It is a three-quarter turn triple-flight staircase with intermediate landings. You can see from the way in which the nominal landing edges are offset that this type of design can present a number of difficulties. These are the half-turn triple-flight stairs with single intermediate landing that we built in our extension to the Rütli School in Berlin. It's often simply referred to as a Bauhaus stairway because it first came to public attention when it was used by Walter Gropius in his Bauhaus building in Dessau. In the version described in DIN 18065, all three flights are the same width. In practice, the main flight is often made twice as wide as the other two flights. This type of staircase creates an impressive, welcoming effect. Spiral and helical staircases have a circular ground plan with radially organized treads. Spiral stairs go round a central pillar or shaft to which the treads are attached. Instead of this central pillar, helical stairs have an open well hole like the helical stairs in our German embassy building in Vienna. In Germany, spiral and helical staircases cannot be used as essential stairs. They are so geometrically complex that we will not be studying them in any greater detail here. The same applies to all forms of curved and partially circular stair designs. Their geometrical construction is highly complex. They are difficult to climb and ugly, but are nevertheless primarily used in residential buildings. This sort of stair design should be avoided wherever possible. This does not, however, mean that all circular forms should be avoided. Semicircular intermediate landings between double flights are very attractive and are just as comfortable to use as half-turn staircases. We will soon be building the main staircase at a large primary school in Munich using a design with semicircular intermediate landings. Summary. German Standard DIN 18065 Appendix B defines the various types of stair design. The simplest form of staircase is the straight single-flight staircase, which can have up to 18 rises. If essential stairs need to be more than 18 steps long, an intermediate landing must be added to make them easier to climb. This is known as a straight double-flight staircase with intermediate landing. Another commonly used stair design is the half-turn double-flight staircase with intermediate landing, often referred to as a double-flight staircase for short. Our Stairs series continues with film number 5, in which we look at standard types of stair construction.